Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. I finally got my hands on the Pillow Talk Jewel Pots and Lip Gloss. It was not in stock in the US, at least I don't think I'd seen it when I ordered all my stuff for the Walk of No Shame. So I have all the Walk of No Shame things here, and I did review this last month. The pretty jewel pot, the lip gloss, the lip liner, and the eyeshadow palette from the Walk of No Shame. So this time I finally got the Pillow Talk version, and I know everyone is so sick of the Pillow Talk this, Pillow Talk that, but you know what? I'm sick of it too, but I can't lie, it's beautiful. So before we go into that, I thought we would go ahead and do my eyes, and she released or re-released or added some kits with the Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette. So I thought I would go ahead and use that today. So here it is. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm just gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade for me. And I already have my face on. I love this palette. This is such a great palette for every day. And I'm sure many of you guys already have this, or you're totally sick of it and don't want to hear about it anymore. But the Jewel Pot and the Walk of No Shame was so beautiful, and it's not even really my color. So I thought I would go ahead and try with the Pillow Talk. Okay, going in with the same brush, I'm going to go into this color right here, and I'm going to use that on the outer portion of my eye and smoke it out just a little bit. And her formula is so good. It blends so easily. Look at how easy that is. Then I'm going to go in with like a flat shader brush, and I'm going to use this color to do the inner portion of my lid. Look how pretty that is. As well as a little bit on my brow arch. Then I'll go back in with my original brush and just kind of blend that all together. Then I'm going to go in with my finger to this pop shade, and I'm just going to put that right in the middle of my lid. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Between that eye and that eye. Can you guys see the difference? Yeah, it just makes it a little sparkle. I love it. Even for my mature skin. It's even pretty for me. I love it. Okay, I almost forgot what this whole video was about. Okay, let's open these jewel pots. So this is the Jewel Pots by Charlotte Tilbury. This one is in the color Pillow Talk, and this also comes in a beautiful shade case like this. Isn't that gorge? So let's open it up, and it's got a little topper. And here's what that looks like. Woo! Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'm gonna look at that. Oh, yes. Let's put this on our eyes. Oh. Okay, this is the eye with the Jewel Pot, and this is the eye without. Isn't that stunning? Okay, and it's got like a soft moussey texture, because you can see I already put a dent in there. I guess I need to be a little more gentle. That is so pretty. Look at that. Woo! Gorge. So I do have a little bit of fallout. I'm going to see if I can brush that away. Nope, it's not brushing away. Oh, some of it is and some of it isn't. Okay, let me go ahead and put mascara on, tightline my waterline, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I tightlined my waterline, put on some mascara. Then I thought I would just go ahead and use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk blush and use that on my face. I'm just gonna use my Sonia G brush right here, and I'm just gonna, look at how pretty that color is. Oh, yes. I should have waited to put on my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, but I did that off camera. Sorry. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this lip. Okay, so this jewel lip, is that what it, Jewel Lips. So this is the one in Pillow Talk. I do have the one in Walk of No Shame. I don't prefer the red, but it's good. I like it, and I like how shiny it is. So I wanted to get this I wanted to get this Pillow Talk one. Ooh, look at this color. Let's swatch this on my hand. So this one is Pillow Talk. Let's get a better swatch there. And then let me swatch the Walk of No Shame for you here. And then the Walk of No Shame is this one right here. See the difference? I much prefer the pink. Okay, so I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner and go ahead and line my lips. Okay, so I chose not to fill in my lips because I want to see what this color looks like on. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yes. I really like these a lot. Look at my eyes, aren't they gorgeous? So pretty. And these, winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. So thank you for joining me for this Charlotte Tilbury for the Jewel Pot in Pillow Talk and the new Jewel Lips. I really like these a lot. Look at how fun my eyes are. Yeah. Yep. So thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video, and I'll see you next time.